I'm here at my aunt's garden picking red chili peppers. So we got some green, some red, some lemongrass, some red peppers. I recorded this so I get to see it. My aunt's garden right here, see? She got all these veggies. And she got another garden over there. Got some loose, some red chili peppers. So hot, sweaty. I'm so hungry. Some lemongrass. Some chili pepper. What is it? Something down here. Some flour. Some flowers. Pick some red chili peppers. That's the wood. It looks scary. Looks scary. These are different peppers.